Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma, Maths Sir, and this is Chapter 2, Class 10 Mathematics, that is Polynomials. This is Part 12 of Multiple Choice Questions, means competency-based questions. Keep watching. Please join my class with a great smile. I am BL Sharma, Maths Sir, and this is Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 2 Polynomials. Very important for the student who have obtained standard or basic mathematics, who are preparing or writing various mathematics Olympiads, preparing for IIT, Rajasthan Board, Delhi Board, various competitive examination. So now the questions are the different varieties of questions are on your screen. If x coordinate, here it should be a coordinate. Of the vertex of the polynomial x square plus kx plus c is 7, then the value of k will be. क्वेश्चन ये है कि जब ये quadratic means polynomial है उसका, and we know its graph is always a parabola. और जो पैराबोला होता है उसका x coordinate is given by, जो उसका x coordinate होता है, I think you know it, the x coordinate of the quadratic parabola is given by minus b upon 2a. And here on comparison we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, and c is equal to c. देखिए स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे यहाँ पे c नहीं है. In the x coordinate here is not c, and this is given, this is x coordinate of the vertex of the quadratic parabola, and it is given in place of minus, as it is in place of b you put k, a is 1, and it is given 2 into 1 because 2a, and it is given 7, so minus k is equal to 14. Therefore the value of k is minus 14, and this is the answer of this question. So the value of k will be minus 14. So you mark it minus 14. स्टूडेंट्स टाइमली आप इसके स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेते जाइएगा, बाद में आपको देखना मिले ना मिले. So please keep a record of all these means objective questions. Take screenshots of it. Right? So we can mark here that minus 4. Sorry, it is not 1. This is not correct. Minus 14 is this. This is the correct option. Now you can take a screenshot of it. And now next question on your screen. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, that is x square plus x plus k, then what is the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta? We know that some of the zeros, here we can write 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, taking alpha beta as LCM, that is beta plus alpha. हमें ये पता है कि the alpha plus beta means sum of 0 is given by minus b upon a, means minus the coefficient of x, that is 1, and a is also 1, so alpha plus beta is minus 1. alpha plus beta is given by sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of x square is coefficient of x is -1 and coefficient of x square is 1. So alpha plus beta, that is -1. Also, product of zeros is given by C upon A, means the constant term. Here constant term is K and A is 1. So that is given by K. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, that will be -1 upon K. And this is answer of this question. यही इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा. You can write the answer here. And -1 upon K is the answer. So answer is B. The value of, the 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta will be -1 upon K. So P is the answer, that is -1 upon K answer. And now next question on your screen. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 4, the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus alpha beta will be. For that, what we do? First of all, we calculate this. पहले हम इसको calculate करेंगे, देख कैसे. 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We write here. One minute, I am adjusting camera. Okay. And minus alpha beta. Taking alpha beta LCM, we have beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. Thus, we need the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So, we know that alpha plus beta is given by the negative of the coefficient of x, that is negative of -1, and that is 1. See here, the coefficient of x is -1. That is why I have written here -1. This minus as it is. Sum of zeros, that is minus of the coefficient of x. That is minus, and coefficient of x is -1. If nothing is written, it means 1 is written. And coefficient of x square is 1. So, therefore, minus and minus, that is +1. Product of zeros is C upon A, means the constant term upon the coefficient of x squared, that is -4. So we can write that is -4. Now we have to write these values. अब इन values को हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पे. So देखिए, in place of alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta की जगह आप लिखिए 1 upon -4 minus as it is, and that is -4. See here, alpha plus beta. This is alpha plus beta. In place of alpha plus beta, I have written 1. In place of alpha into beta, I have written -4. In place of negative, I have written negative here. And in place of alpha into beta, I have written -4. Simplify this. इसको simplify करें. So that is -1 upon 4 and that is 4, and 1 taking 4 LCM minus 1 plus 16, that is 15 upon 4 answer. So the answer will be 15 by 4, and means the A is the correct option. यहाँ पे जो इसका आंसर है वो है 15 by 4, और ये इसका A पार्ट करेक्ट है. I think it is clear to you. हमें दो फॉर्मूला का पता होना जरूरी है, सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. Sum of zeros is given by negative of the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of zeros is c upon a, means constant term upon coefficient of x square. Now next question on your screen. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 1, then the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square will be, we know that sum of the zeros is given by minus b upon a. Here negative b is coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and coefficient of x square, that is 4. That is 5 by 4, and product of 0 is given by c upon a. Here c is a constant term and divided by coefficient of x squared, that is 4. So we have the product of zeros and sum of zeros. अब जो हमें find out करना है वो करना है alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Alpha beta कॉमन लीजिए, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta की जगह आप पुट करिए minus 1 by 4, and alpha plus beta की जगह करिए आप 5 by 4. So that is minus 5 by 16. This is answer of this question. So answer will be minus 5 by 16, means B is the answer. And now next question on your screen. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 1x square plus 1x minus 2, then what will be the value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta, where beta is greater than alpha? Then the answer is, देखिए, we have already discussed that the difference of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta, आप एलसीएम लीजिए अल्फा बीटा, that is beta minus alpha. But we know that difference alpha minus beta means difference of zeros is square root of b upon a. That is b square minus 4ac upon a. ये अल्फा माइनस बीटा का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है. आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस यूज कर सकते हैं. Then coefficient of b is coefficient of x, that is 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. A is 1, so we can write here 1 plus 4 to the 8, that is plus minus 3. So difference of the zero is alpha minus beta, that is plus 3 or minus 3. But here we have to take the positive value of, यहाँ पे इसका positive value लेना है कि बीटा में से हमें अल्फा कम करना है. तो then when we take the positive value, then we can write here, therefore we can write here that beta minus alpha we can take here free. Positive value हमें यहाँ पे लेना है. So And product of zeros is given by alpha into beta given by C upon A. C is -2 upon A, that is -2. So you put here 3 upon -2. When 3 is divided by -2, that is negative of 1.5, and this is answer. So here 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta will be negative of 1.5. So B is the correct option here. So mark B as the correct option. That is 1.5. The value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta will be negative of 1.5. And this is the answer of this question. So, students, thank you. And keep watching. और अगर आपने शेयर नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए. Thank you.